Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Morocco are the new AFCON champions. Am I surprised? No, I'm not surprised. Because 2 weeks or 3 weeks back, right, they postponed AFCON. Why did they postpone AFCON? Remember, it was supposed to be held in Morocco, right? Why did they postpone that? So in football, there's politics as well in football, right? So it's all about who has the carrot dangled, young Tom. Because at the moment, Morocco in power. That's why the decision was made. Is it a right decision or a wrong decision? Remember, there's rules, Buffett, right? There is rules in sports. A lot of people don't understand Uguti. The administration or the rules are more important than what happens on the field. But one thing that's going to save Senegal is, Maskula, we're always told referee's decision is final. Bona, they didn't respect the decision yaga referee in that game. That's why they were walking off the field, or they walked off the field, right? It decision yaga referee to say this was a penalty. They didn't accept it at that moment. Then babuya badlala, but it decision yaga referee to say at the final whistle to say Senegal has won. Years were saved. Let me explain. So now, after Senegal, ingena grounding, what was supposed to happen from inside le Morocco, they were supposed to say, sesidlala le game ale under protest, right? Under protest. There's Article 82 and 84, right? So for this decision to be made, they had to combine those two, but bayenze A1, which is wrong, right? Now it has to go back. Angithi bathe Senegal izo-appeal. So in that appeal, I think they're going to look at article number 84. It's just rules and politics, Zepol, right? But now, remember, referee's decision is final. So Morocco should have played extra injury time under protest, but because they didn't play under protest, I think Ezobabulala, and it's going to save Senegal. But one thing for sure, I know a lot of you thinking, the North Africans don't like to lose, which is true. Even the big West African countries don't like to lose. Nigeria, Ghana, even Senegal. Remember, Ibafana Bafana played in Senegal, Epulukwan. I think it was a World Cup qualifier. We won that game, but they protested. But Urevri was cheating. What happened after that? The game had to be replayed, right? Even though the referee's decision said Ibafana Bafana won. So when Zagaleni, they found some technicalities, you understand, to overturn that decision. So it's all about who has the power, right? At the moment, Morocco has the power because Asaz Gutikef Inenga. Maybe it's because Bafunu Guti Badali WAFCON, the women's AFCON Asaz. But they know, because this decision, it brought a bad light to African football. That is my opinion. Tell me what you think under the comments.